Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this Parkside Cordless Chainsaw 40V, the model PKSA 20LIB2, bare unit only, batteries and charger not included. Compatible with all batteries in the Parkside X20V team series. You need 2 by 20V batteries to have a total 40V input to your chainsaw. With brushless motor, especially durable, powerful, with low wear and tear. 2 adjustable chain speed up to 20 meters per second, speed 1 15 meters per second and the speed 2 20 meters per second. Bar with durable and strong chain and length 45.5 centimeters with a cutting length 38 centimeters. Soft start, automatic chain lubrication, that is very important to lubricate your chain, with quick stop and 3 years warranty. Well, let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Of course, inside we're going to find out the manual. If you want to read it, your choice, but stay with me, we're going to find out all about this product. Bio chain oil lubrication, 180 ml, made in Germany. Some safety instruction. Now at the chainsaw we have the on-off switch here with the switch lock. Just pull and then press, otherwise it will not work. Here we have the chain brake lever, front hand protection, the button for the charge status display, and the high-low button. You can choose between 2 speeds. The front handle, here and here. We have this hole if you want to have it at the wall mounted. The cover for the chain. Parkside. And here, obviously, we have the adjustments for the chain. We have the mounting screw for the sprocket cover. And the screw for the chain quick tensioning system. We can remove that, and obviously you can replace the chain after a long time of use. Very easy to replace, and reinstall the new one. Let's say this is the new chain. I'm just showing you how you can do the replacement. This metal pin needs to go at this hole. Start tightening with this screw. Not too much, and then use the tensioning screw. Test it with your hand. I think it's okay. And then you can screw very well this huge screw and then test it. And of course, to test this chainsaw we need 2 batteries, 2 20V batteries. And I can use 2 4Ah battery in the diameter and length thickness, same like the 2Ah non-professional battery. This is professional batteries. Or you can use the 2 8Ah huge capacity professional batteries. All the batteries are fully charged, we can see. Let's use first the 4 ampere hours. And of course, to use, just pull this lock switch, press the trigger, is not working. We need to press one of these buttons. We can see this is on high and low, the LED. With the battery indicator button you can check the battery capacity, and then again it's not working. We can hear the sound. You need to pull this lever. Wow, instantly it stops. Or low speed. Wow! Instant response, and we can hear the sound. Yep, I like it. Now, don't forget to insert the oil before using this chainsaw and cut any wood. I think we are okay. A little bit more. And here we have the window. You can check the oil. Wow, it is okay. Press the LED indicator for the battery and then stops instantly. And of course you can use the 4 ampere hours. Let's see if I can use only with one battery. Nope, that is not an option. Doesn't work. It needs 40 volt. Press the button. So let's move on and start my test with the 4 ampere hours battery first, and then with the 8 ampere hours batteries. If you can buy the 8 ampere hours battery, of course you need to give about 70 euros. 70 euros. It is about 140 euros. 100 euros it costs only the chainsaw, and the 4 ampere hours battery that cost 45 and 45 euros, total 90 euros. Low speed or high, definitely it can cut the wood like a butter. It is so easy. It's performing very well even on this huge wood with a diameter 37 cm. I'm very happy with the result. The combination of performance batteries with the brushless motor is made the cutting wood so fast. And you can use it anywhere. It is portable with robust housing. Thank you for watching, my viewers. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.